Good afternoon, everybody. Today, I am going to teach you one theorem in compulsory mathematics, geometry theorems. Yesterday, I taught one. One is the inscribed angles are equal. Another is the central angle is twice the inscribed angle. Theorem number 3, prove not experimentally, theoretically. Prove theoretically that the angle in a semicircle is 90 degree or right angle. Right angle means 90 degree. How to draw? See, this is a circle. This one is a circle. This is the center. This is the diameter. What to do? Cut this part. This part is cut, and this is the semicircle. What is given condition? The given condition is this. First of all, draw a full circle with the help of a pencil, compass, protractor. See how? In this way. This is a full circle. Say this is a circle. Diameter, center. Now cut this part. Is semicircle. This is a semicircle. If you take any angle, like this angle is 90 degree, and then this angle is also 90 degree, this angle is also 90 degree, this angle is also 90 degree. The angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. That is experimental truth. But theoretically, this is a semicircle. O is the center. You can draw any angle like ABC, PQR, any PQR to prove this angle is 90 degree. How to prove? Given O is the center of a semicircle. O is the center, means PR is the diameter. PR is a diameter. In any condition, if in a short question, if this is a diameter, you can join this angle. This angle is always 90 degree. PR is the diameter, and PQR is an angle in a semicircle. In the semicircle, PQR is an angle in a semicircle. What to prove? To prove angle PQR equal 90 degree. Experimental verification. If you have to prove experimentally, you have to measure the angle directly, giving two figures. But here, to prove PQR equal 90 degree, no construction, no plan. What is the proof? Proof statements and reasons. Statement number 1. Last time I taught you this way. This angle is half of this angle. The inscribed angle is half of the central angle. Means actually POR, this angle is the, see, this angle is actually the central angle. This is the central angle, and this is the inscribed angle. So fact number 1, POR, angle POR equal, POR is 180 degree. Why? Straight angle or supplementary adjacent angle. Straight angle. can write straight angle, सरल कोण, सीधा, POR, because POR is a straight line. But here, if you draw another arc, this angle is half of this angle. Angle PQR equal half of angle POR. What is the relation? PQR equal half angle QR. The inscribed angle of a circle is half the central angle standing on the same arc. Here, the inscribed angle of a circle is half the central angle. Central angle means angle at the center, standing on the same arc. Angle PQR equal half is half. POR is 180 degree. That means by cutting it is 90 degree. By cutting it is 90. Half into 180, 90 degree. QED. Code that demonstration. Reason number from facts 1 and 2. From facts 1 and 2. From facts 1 and 2. Again, compulsory mathematics, geometry theorems. Theorem number 3. Prove theoretically that the angle in a semicircle is 90 degree or a right angle. Here, with the help of these 2-3 raw figures, we can easily understand. Given O is the center of a semicircle, PR is a diameter, PQR is an angle in a semicircle. To prove angle PQR equal 90 degree, this one is 90 degree. Prove, no construction, prove statements and reasons. Number 1, angle POR equal 180 degree because it is a straight angle. Angle PQR equal half of POR because the inscribed angle is half the angle at the center. Means the central angle is twice the inscribed angle and the inscribed angle is half of the central angle standing on the same arc. Fact number 3, PQR, half is half. Angle POR equal 180 degree. Cut. By cutting, it is 90 degree. It means if you take any point Q, here, any point here, any point, जहाँ लिए पनि angle PQR 90 degree हुन्छ. Angle PQR is always 90 degree. Whatever may be the position of Q may be here. If you join like this is always 90 degree.